friends, welcome. It's Rachel here, and today I am doing a scrapbook layout for Scrapbook Nerd, and this is using the Joyful collection from Cocoa Vanilla Studio. Yes, you are seeing this correctly. I am using a Christmas collection today, and I'm doing a non-Christmas layout. And I did have kind of an idea. I've seen people fussy cut these stars, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to fussy cut the pink stars and the yellow stars. I don't film that part because that's kind of boring. And I just kind of laid them out on my desk, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is exactly how I want it to look. So I put little foam dots on all of these stars and put them exactly in the spots they landed, basically. It was so weird. It was like, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I want it to look like. It was as if the layout was like creating itself without me. It was like a computer just doing it itself. And I'm like, wait a minute, how is this coming together so easily? That's why this video was so short, because it came together so fast. And I love the colors in this. I love the pastel pinks and the yellow. I think it goes well with the colors in the photo. It's just a selfie of me. It's nothing special or crazy. I added that tag from the sticker sheet. All I'm using is the collection kit. So it just has the papers and the sticker sheet. That's it. And this layout came together so easily. So I'm going to make sure this kit is linked down below if you want to use it. I'm going to use up what I can of it that is not Christmassy, and then the rest I'll just put in my Christmas stash. I think this collection is adorable. It's in the shop right now. And if you want to do the same, make a couple like layouts or projects with it that's non-Christmassy, and then put the rest away for December. Then you'll already have some supplies ready and waiting in your stash for you by the time Christmas comes. And this collection's so cute. I can't believe I missed out on it before, like for my December daily. I actually got this after Christmas, so I'm glad I have it now. This is like one of my favorite layouts that I've done lately, and it took almost no time at all. I took that tab and I put it up on foam, and then I actually decided to grab a title from my stash because I realized I don't really have a title. And I grabbed some thread from my stash as well to go behind the sticker. So I think this collection is really cute, and obviously there are some that are specifically Christmas, but they're not all. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to put that thread behind there. And I did take a second one out, but I realized I just wanted the one. So yeah, pretty exciting. So in a couple weeks, we have a crop going on in the Scrapbook Nerd group that I'm really excited about. We're preparing for, and it's a pretty fun concept. I'm not going to like spoil anything, but I would definitely encourage you to click the link down below to become a part of the Scrapbook Nerd Facebook group, so that you are in the loop when we have the online crop that we're doing as a free crop. It's really fun. It helps you get projects done, and there's different challenges. You can win prizes, all that kind of stuff, and chat with other people who are also paper crafters. So definitely get in that group so that you will know when the crop is. It's coming up in a couple weeks, and like I said, we're preparing for it now. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm excited about it. So the title I took out is Girl Power, and I liked that there were both pinks and greens in this title, so that's why I chose it. And of course it says Girl Power. It's a picture of me, so I thought it was kind of fitting. I would definitely encourage you not to be afraid to scrapbook photos of yourself. Like looking back on this photo, because I am so behind on my scrapbooking, I'm like a year and a half behind, but I'm looking at this photo, I'm like, oh my goodness, I remember when my hair looked like that, because my hair is longer now. And you notice these different things about how you dressed, or what your hair was like, or how you did your makeup, or what glasses you wore. Those are different glasses that I'm wearing now. So it's definitely interesting to see that. I did the pink border, some gold, I forget what it's called. I'll link it down below, the gold stuff. And that's it. It's finished. I'll have all the links down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.